Well, look at this, who gave the place a major once-over. Cleaned up everything. Put everything in its away. That's ready for tomorrow. Cleaned up. Under the lathe, cleaned out the lathe. Cleaned all this shit that was down in here and behind the mill. So now I'll get my engine stand down behind there. Made this to put all my shit in. I had a little one there just for the chuck key and the tool post. Spanner, but I wanted somewhere to put me bloody live center and me drill, me chuck. So anyway, my dear wife has been out giving me a hand to do all this. Clean up, vacuumed, just everything. The place hasn't been this clean for a long fucking time. It's about time. Ready to make a new mess and start tomorrow on these. Well, first up, I'm going to try and mount that on the engine stand. I've got to find some bolts. So it might be a trip into town in the morning, but I want to get that up off the floor and then start on these. So there we go. All done. Lovely.